This is the Huron men's conditioner. Shows up looking sleek, clean, and exactly the thing my husband and son need when their hair decides to act all crazy. But the formula instantly tames frizzy hair. My husband's is curly, and my son's is all crazy. But the argan oil, the shea butter, and the aloe smooth it down. So my husband's hair looks intentional. And you know what? My son's hair finally stops sticking out like he slept under a ceiling fan. But the ingredients, they leave your hair soft, hydrated, and actually healthy looking. The biotin and the wheat protein, that's really good in here. I love the clean ingredients. No greasy film, no heavy buildup. Just clean, just lightweight moisture that makes their hair really look groomed without trying. And, you know, my husband and son, they don't need to put a lot of effort into it. But what does it smell like? It is fresh, it's clean, it's modern. Citrus, juniper, like an aromatic green smell. It's masculine without being that knock you out. My son is in his 20s, and it does have that male scent, not like the teen boy scent. Just clean, grown man energy. I love this, and I'm going to keep this stocked. This conditioner makes both of their hair smoother, healthier, easier to manage, and more touchable. So if you want the men in your house looking polished without any fuss, this conditioner, this one gets it done. This is a sponsored ad, though I'm keeping it real and to the point.